An introduction to the Irish pharmaceutical industry. My name is Holly and I'm presenting with Molly.
Outline and agenda. Characteristics of the industry, recent development of the industry, the importance of this industry to the Irish economy, major players in Ireland, statistics and facts, regulatory institutes governing this industry, conclusion and bibliography. The characteristics of the pharmaceutical industry. Pharmaceutical firms engage in large-scale, extensive research and development to create and market drugs. Europe and the US are major players in this industry, with Ireland being the #1 European location for international pharmaceutical investment. Major pharmaceutical firms benefit from strong patent protection laws through governments granting patents for intellectual property. Normally, firms have 5 to 8 years to recover investment for research and development. Approaches to marketing are common amongst pharmaceutical firms. They generally employ sales representatives to advertise directly to the general public, physicians and other healthcare providers. Recent developments in the Irish pharmaceutical industry. Number 1, 3D printing. For example, epilepsy drug Spritam became the first 3D printed drug to be approved by the Food and Drug Administration. It is made by a 3D printing process which builds the pill by spreading layers of the drug on top of one another until the right dose has been achieved. Number 2, localised drug delivery. Bin Yum Lin, a pharmaceutical researcher, and his team developed 2 drug delivery technologies, microcapsules and nanocoating, for delivering the drug interleukin. This helps to minimise potential side effects of the drug. This technology took 4 years to develop. The importance of the pharmaceutical industry to the Irish economy. The pharmaceutical industry contributes extensively to the Irish economy. The pharmaceutical industry accounts for over 50% of the Irish manufacturing exports. This sector contributes more than 1 billion annually. This then increases government revenue and leads to a rise in government spending power. The replacement value of this sector to the Irish economy is an estimated €40 billion. Therefore, this industry is vital in sustaining the Irish economy. Over 24,500 people are employed in this industry, in turn leading to more government revenue through employment taxes such as PAYE and PRSI. In 2008 alone, 2 out of every 5 pharmaceutical jobs created in Europe were in Ireland. This shows how important this industry is for the creation of jobs and the Irish economy. Major players in Ireland. Pfizer is the largest pharmaceutical firm in the world. It focuses on the production of human and animal medicines. Importantly, it currently has 8 operations in Ireland and therefore are employing over 2,000 people. GlaxoSmithKline is the 2nd largest pharmaceutical company in the world. It is currently a world leader in the areas concerning anti-infectives and the nervous system. It set up a manufacturing facility in Cork in 1974. Statistics and facts about the pharmaceutical industry in Ireland and abroad. The current revenue total of the global pharmaceutical industry stands at $1 trillion. Statistics on employment in the global pharmaceutical industry show that there are 725 million people under the employment of this industry. Research and development conducted in the Irish pharmaceutical industry has helped improve life expectancy from 57 to 81 from 1925 to today. 9 of the world's top 10 pharmaceutical companies have operations in Ireland. Ireland is the 5th largest exporter of pharmaceuticals in the world. Regulatory institutes. Regulatory Science Ireland is a group of interested parties from various groups such as the regulatory body HPRA, Health Productions Regulatory Authority. This particular group is managed by European Medicines Agency. The functions of the HPRA include approval of clinical trials and clinical investigations, overseeing recalls and advising body to the government. The RSI consists of the Board of Directors, who approve the annual operating plan and research for topics for the Irish pharmaceutical firms, the Executive Director, who executes the operating plan, and leads the RSI on a day-to-day basis. Advisory groups, who are representatives of stakeholders with specific areas of interest. They also provide expert advice to the Board of Directors.
Conclusion. The pharmaceutical industry in Ireland is highly important for government revenue and employment. Some of the world's largest pharmaceutical firms have operations in Ireland, such as Pfizer. Ireland is viewed as an attractive option for foreign direct investment and the setup of new pharmaceutical operations. The pharmaceutical industry in Ireland accounts for over half of exports from Ireland. These are the references and sources we used throughout our presentation.